In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install fonts on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 machines. So let's get started. If you don't have any fonts downloaded and you don't know what a good website to go to, check out this video here for the best websites to download fonts. Okay, after you got your fonts downloaded, there are two ways to install the fonts. The first way is to right-click the desktop, go to Personalize, and then scroll down and click on Fonts. Now you can either drag and drop the font file, or you can browse and install fonts. And then choose your font file. The second way is to double click the font file and click on install, which is the easiest way. That is it for this episode. For more Windows tips, tricks, and guides, be sure to subscribe and turn your bell notification on for the latest content. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.